Hi everyone! I'm going to show you how to make a really easy all-natural room spray. This project is pretty simple since you just need essential oils, dried flowers, and unscented witch hazel as the three main ingredients. And once you piece everything together, you can use this on your fabrics, furniture, or just to refresh the air in your home. First off, you're going to grab an empty spray bottle and pour 25 to 30 drops of essential oil in it. I use tea tree essential oil, but you can use whichever is your favorite for this spray. Next, you're going to fill the bottle halfway with witch hazel. This will actually help your spray hold its scent. From there, you're going to fill the rest of the bottle with water, and no matter your bottle size, this ratio will work perfectly. Next, put the cap on and shake all the ingredients together. To complete the project, add your favorite dried flowers and herbs. I use dried roses, lilies, and marigolds. And then you're ready to use it. This spray is fresh and perfect to use any time of year. I can't wait to keep using it in my home. I hope you try out this project too and make even more all-natural sprays. Thanks for tuning in.